Hello and welcome, Katie here today sharing a new video using Concord 9th marble turnabout stamp to create this stunning marbling effect. Without further ado, let's get into it. For the design of the card, I'm using Concord 9th Weekend Market and Spellbinders Modern Over Die set. The sentiment I'm using is from the matching Weekend Market stamp. To give a final touch to the card, I added a couple dewdrops and flower sparkles from the die set. On the inside, I created this corner with some baguettes and flowers at the bottom, all from the die set itself. I felt a need to create another card, and I made this card using more vibrant colors. Instead of a flower bouquet, I used the bag with a different sentiment. Let's Hang Out Soon is from the Big on You stamp set, also from Concord 9th. I've created a short reel for this, therefore be sure to check it out. I hope this has been inspiring. Please give this video a thumbs up and share. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more crafting tips and ideas. Until next time, have a good day.